So this is the perfect time to use the garden hoe when the weeds are small. So just covering them and cutting them right at surface is enough to kill them. And we're hoeing in November. These are hardy annuals that'll go through winter, and these are all the little weeds that would be here come spring. So this is not only taking out the weeds on the surface, it's not bringing fresh weed seeds up from the soil down deeper. So these are bachelor buttons, and we'll thin them in spring. We only weed in the fall, and this is just the perfect time to hoe. The seedlings are big enough that you don't cover them, but you're getting all of the small weeds.